Alright. What's in it?
Why is it cold?
Hey, don't steal it. Sailor, everybody wants to see it.
What is it? What is it?
Chocolate covered strawberry.
Wow, yummy.
There's nothing in the bottom.
Let's see. Wow, that looks like a lot.
It won't open.
Oh, CJ, come look.
Chloe!
Look, this is for us. Can we eat
I
one?
really want to see it.
It's for us. Can we?
It's
Can we?
for us.
Can we
look
eat
at the
one?
scissors, Mama?
Can we eat one? Mom, can we eat one?
Okay. Wait, don't open it. Okay, good.
Don't open it. That's
I
what we're
mean,
trying to do.
There. Oh. Here it goes. Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, wow.
Can we have one? Look at that one.
You guys need to eat dinner first.
No.
Wow.
Can I have one?
Look at how beautiful they are.
Can I have one?
Yes, Kate, you can have
Thank
one.
you, Matt.
Yeah, everybody say something nice.
I love you, Matt, and I miss you.
I love you, Matt. I love you. I love you.
Say thank you. Caroline, what do you say?
Thank you. I said happy Valentine's Day.
I have to get one.
CJ, say thank you. CJ.
She's eating the foam.
No, nerds. CJ, say thank you to Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Say I love you. Kate.
I love you.